Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you basic Solidworks tutorial, and today I will show you how to use mirror, fillet and chamfer. But before that, let's take a look this first. Hello everyone, if you're interested to make a machine like this for your own project, this digital product is suitable for you. Just go to Koniago bio, click this and click the next link. You can buy a machine concept or 3D part standard or ebook. So what are you waiting for? Buy it now. Now we have a part. Let's make a plan to use a mirror like this. Active plan. In this parameter, click this face and click OK. Now active mirror. Now you have a parameter, mirror face parameter for mirror about parameter like this. Click this plan for mirror about, and you can choose feature to mirror or face to mirror and body to mirror. If you want to mirror all part, you can use body to mirror like this. Click this body and uncheck merge solid and click OK. See, now you have a part like this. Now let's active the fillet. See, now you have 4 fillet type parameter. Click this edge. See, you can choose unsymmetric type like this. See, choose symmetric and click OK. And active fillet again. You can choose this type variable size fillet like this. Click this edge and do like this. See, the variable is different and click OK. See, active fillet again. Choose this type. In this parameter, click this face, and this parameter, click this face. See, you can choose symmetric and symmetric like this, or width like this. See, the outline like this. Sorry, I choose symmetric, and maybe I choose curve width and click OK. See, active fillet again. Now we will try use this round fillet parameter. See, you can do like this. In this parameter, you click this face, and this parameter, click this face, and this parameter, click this face. See, all around, and click OK. See, now active fillet again. Usually we use this type, and we choose symmetric type. Make the value is 20 and click this edge. See, too many, too big. Make 5 mm. Click this edge, and this edge, and click OK. See, now you know how to use fillet. Let's try use chamfer. Active chamfer. Now we have 5 parameter. Usually I use this type. Maybe in this case I use this. Click this edge. See, we have a parameter and symmetric or symmetric. You can do like this and click OK. Active Champer again. Choose this side. Click this edge. See? You can choose symmetric. See? And click OK. Now active Champer again. Sorry. Let's choose this side. In this parameter, click this face. In this parameter, click this face. See? You can change the chamfer parameter, symmetric or width, or asymmetric, or align. I don't know this function, but I choose width and click OK. See? And now active Champer again. Let's choose this side and this dot. You don't click the edge but this point. See? You can change the blue parameter like this. See? You can uncheck equal distance like this. See? Sorry. See? Or you can check equal distance like this. See? And click OK. To Champer again. Click this point. Sorry. Choose this side. Click this point. Check equal distance. And click OK. See? Now active Champer again. Usually I use this side. You just click the edge like this. See? Make this 5mm. Okay? See? Now click this, and this edge. You can change the radius like this. See? But usually I use 45 degrees like this. And click OK. See? Now you know how to use chamfer. I think that is the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks use my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.